Hello friends, good evening. Friends, today we will make sauce with tomato and green chili. It's Arabic style. It have different ways to make it, so I will use here tomato, one medium size slice, small little amount of parsley, and green chili, a small amount. I will take the ingredients and I will put in a chopper. I have a manual chopper, so I will put it there. Okay, then I will add little amount of salt. And I will add a small amount, like 1 tablespoon of water only. Okay. Check it out. Still need little more. So it's almost ready now. So first of all, I will take out the blades. They are very strong, and so you can see our sauce is ready, chutney is ready. It's very tasty, natural, and it's used basically with the pulao or something to eat. So hope you like the video. See you in the next video.